Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can link website to your Facebook page. It's pretty simple. So right now I'm inside my Facebook page account over here. Now once you're interacting as your Facebook page, what you want to do is click on menu at the bottom right of your screen. Then at the top left it's going to display your page name. Click on your page. Once you click on your page, it's going to take you to your page profile. From over here at the top right corner, you'll see the pen icon. Click on it. From here, scroll all the way down. And where it says link, right beside link, you can see the add button. Click on it. From over here, you can see the website option at the bottom. Click on add website. Now over here, enter the URL of any website you want. So I'll just enter the URL of YouTube over here. So this is going to be the website URL. Once you enter the website URL, right beside website, you can see the public option. If you click on public, then basically your website link will be public, which means anybody who visits your Facebook profile will be able to see this on your profile. And if you set it private, only you will be able to view your website link. So you can choose which option you want, public or private. After that, click on save at the top right. Basically, your website link will be added on your Facebook page. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.